OK， 看不到我的脸，看不到。
Clown in clown nature. Melissa, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi to YouTube.
金钱吧。
Ah, yes. Clown.
哦，真的很容易那个。
What is up guys, I'm Einstein Pong, a mechanical engineering student studying at KLCC University, Malaysia. Our channel just passed 469 subscribers! I didn't upload last week, I was rushing for my competitions video. This week the theme of the video is play hard, work hard. It was both hectic and exciting at the same time. Let's jump straight into it. Alright, I'm meeting my friend Melissa in Block E. Alright, I'm out here. She actually cooked me some carbonara and she told me not to expect Gordon Ramsay level kind of food. So I'll bring the Gordon Ramsay to her by judging her food like Gordon Ramsay. So let's go. Food! Oh, food! Any chef remarks before I start eating the food?
The heck no.
No?
Nah.
What should I expect, chef?
It's okay, don't expect Gordon Ramsay level food.
Famous last words. Ikatakimasu.
Oh, 我听得懂。哦耶，烦你。
Alright, texture is good, flavor is there. Yeah, overall it's good. Bro!
It's okay, I know I'm good enough. Oh.
Good enough. Good enough. Alright. Hey guys. Hello Malaysia. Alright, we are actually now in Alta, Bangsar because I want to make a surprise appearance to my friend Malcolm, my best friend. Just want to visit his barista shift. So let's head in.
I will continue to squeeze some lemons and not serve you as a customer.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone. Castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
Alright, espresso time. Malcolm poured us a shot, so let's evaluate the shot.
Leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Milk coffee course.
手香化。
Instagram is more important than flavor.
The milk didn't overpower the coffee because like sometimes when you drink coffee with milk, right, then you just drink like the milky taste, but then it just don't have the coffee taste anymore. Oh my god, 我的牙齿。
Malcolm is my best friend since high school. We have been butt to butt since forever. There's no way I'll miss out his barista shift. Next out, me and Melissa decided to take a train and went to KLCC. We stopped by Roti Boy to buy some delicious bread before we proceed to my favorite place in KLCC,
Thank you.
Kinokuniya. Hello.
Hi。有什么到处无业游民，
Where you mean?
到处游。
We're actually heading to Pavilion from KLCC, so Good food we are coming, okay? University life is a life on the fast lane. Therefore, I really need to plan my time well. At a blink of an eye, time passed, stress piles up, and you got nothing done. It is important to have fun while also make time for your work. That was enough playing. Let's get right into the grind. We also went to a hospital in Bangsar to run an X-ray attenuation test for my competition project. We have successfully created a polymer that is capable of fighting against radiation. I also put in the submitted competition video for you guys to watch in 3, 2, 1.
Lead-based products are essential for shield radiation. However, their weight causes musculoskeletal problems and discomfort for healthcare workers all around the world. Therefore, we have come up with a solution.
Our team utilized bismuth. It is non-toxic and it provides excellent radiation attenuation. After researching, we decided to mix the amorphous PETG into bismuth to form a polymer composite. We pelletized the PETG, dry it in 65 degrees Celsius for 4 hours and mix bismuth with silicone oil. We extruded the material to 1.75mm, making it perfect for fuse deposition modeling techniques. This polymer composite can be 3D printed into shapes and sizes that we want. To investigate the attenuation capabilities, we carry out radiation attenuation tests with RaySafe X2. We had tested sheets of the same sizes of pure PETG and our PETG bismuth composite with different thickness. After performing calculation from test results, we achieved very positive outcomes, where the attenuation percentage is directly proportional to thickness. 42%, 57% and 61% for 1, 3 and 5mm respectively.
Lastly, we foresee that our composite will be useful, especially in the medical industry. For example, we have 3D printed a radiation shielding container which can prevent radiation.
If I would like to conclude my week 12 in one clip, this will be it. Holy crap! Oh shit! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh, Duck, you did! No matter what, be like Ducky. Even though you are barely surviving or you are failing, you still have the courage to fight through the rain. And you are still being super cute. I mean, being positive towards life. I like big butts and I cannot lie. Because that's how you work hard. And you play hard.